everyone. Welcome to Tech Simplified channel. In today's video, we are going to build a fake news detection system using support vector machine in Python. We will go line by line through the code. So by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how it works. Implementing this project, we required a fake news detection data set, and for that I am using this kaggle.com and using this link to download the data set. You can see here this is a news.csv file, and I already downloaded this file. In this file, you get a data set. I will show you that data set contains the textual values, okay, and we are using this data set for developing this project. Okay, you can see in this Excel file that there is some IDs, there is a title, text and label. Okay, so we are using two different things. One is a title and second is a label. Okay, these two columns we are using to implement this fake news detection system using SVM. So let's start implementing the fake news detection system using the SVM. For that, we have to first import the necessary libraries, pandas to load and work with our data set, train test split data into training and testing part, and TF-IDF vectorizer to convert text into numeric features using the TF-IDF method, LinearSVC, which is our support vector machine model, and we required finally the matrices like accuracy and the classification report to evaluate our model. For that we required sklearn.matrices. Okay, so after importing all the necessary libraries, we have to load our data set, that is a news.csv file using the pandas. Now we print the shape to see the number of rows and columns, and also print the first few records to understand the structure of our data set. Now here we separate our data set into features X and the labels Y, and for that X contains the news article titles and Y contains the labels, whether the news is fake or real. Now we split the data set into training and testing. We use 70% data for training and 30% for the testing. We also set random state equal to 100 to make results reproducible. Since machine learning model work with number, not text, we have to convert into numerical features using the TF-IDF vectorization, and this gives us the importance of each word in the news article. Okay, now after converting the data set using the TF-IDF vectorization, we have to create the SVM model using the LinearSVC and trained it on the vectorized data set. Okay, for that we required a LinearSVC model and passed the our TF-IDF vectorization data set. Okay, uh, after creating the SVM model, we have to predict the labels for the test data. So this will tell us whether the each news article in the test data is fake or real. Okay. After prediction, we have to calculate the accuracy and the classification report, and for that we have to use the accuracy scores and the classification report method, and this report gives us the precision, recall, and a F1 score for each classes. In our data set there are two classes, real and fake. Okay. Now, for testing in a real time environment, finally I created a function that name is a detector underscore fake underscore news, that takes a news article as an input and predicts whether it is a fake or real. Okay. So here, after creating this method, we have to test this method on a sample data set. Okay. So for that, we take one sample data set that is based on the government lottery policy. So our sample news is a government announces a lottery scheme for the middle class family. Okay. And we use this method to predict that this news is a fake or real. Okay. So we print the return value. Okay. So in this way, we can implement the face news detection system using the SVM classifier. Now let's run this code. So this is a large data set, so it takes time. So you can see that it gives you that this prediction is real, because there are some things that are based on the government. Okay. So for example, here if I write uh, for example, education policy. Okay. So in that case, you also find the prediction is a real. Okay. So that's it. We built a fake news detection system using SVM in Python, and we loaded a data set, pre-processed the data set using the TF-IDF, trained a SVM classifier, and tested it with the custom input. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for the more machine learning tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.